Welcome learner to the MSc second year of a semester 4. Okay, today is this is your first lecture of a cosmology. Cosmology is your 4 paper that will be considering in the semester 4. Okay, let us go started as a unit first concept wise introduction about the cosmology. First discussing about the introduction of this topic. Second will be given as a three type of a static universe. Universe will be given as a three type that will be given. First is the Einstein universe, second is a de Sitter universe, and three will be considering as a special relativity universe. Okay, this all three type is containing in a statics universe. This static universe is generally defining in a three form. First is the Einstein, de Sitter, and special relativity. Cosmology it is also containing in a concept of the general relativity in the form. Next third topic will be considering that is a study of a Einstein universe containing as a four form. First is the geometry of a Einstein universe, second is considered density and pressure, third will be considered test particle motion, and four will be considered Doppler shift. Okay, this will be type will be given in the form. Okay, three form will be generated. First of all, we introduce about the introduction. Second type will be given as a three type of a static universe. First is the Einstein universe, second is the de Sitter universe, and third is the special relativity universe. 3 point will be given as a study of a Einstein universe. In this Einstein universe, it will be considered as a four part that will be generated: the geometry of a Einstein universe, density and pressure of a universe, test particle motion, and Doppler shift. This will be form is a given, and 5 is a comparison with the actual universe in this form. Generally, this is not a point they consider in the how to this point will be defining in this form. Okay, next four form is a study of a de Sitter universe. De Sitter universe considered as a 5 point that is a geometry, pressure and density, motion of a test particle, Doppler shift, Welle hypothesis, comparison with the actual universe. This part and this part will be generated as a same form, and last topic will be considered that is a comparison between Einstein and de Sitter model. Comparison between Einstein universe and de Sitter model, how to consider it. This is your introduction part to given as a all topic of a unit first will be. Let us go started as a cosmology. You know that cosmology is a science of origin and structure of a universe. It is a branch of astronomy. What is meant by astronomy? Astronomy given to the branch that will be the all star galaxies will be generally given as a study. Branch of astronomy and studies the universe of a whole of the universe means a physical universe consisting of a star galaxies, enters galaxy spaces, and all other astronomical objects present in an enormous space. Since emergence time of a universe has become the object of a curiosity and wonder of a human mind. In the recent, Mount Paloma has a enrich our knowledge of a universe like to contain as a 200 inch of a extent that is about 10 to power 11 galaxies are within to the range of our observation, but questioning what that is the how it is a connection between the cosmology in the general theory of relativity. It will be give to the gravitation is the entire space considering to the cosmology of a structure of a motion of a universe governed to the gravity. All of which type of question will be containing in this form. Okay, this is all the introduction about the cosmology. Cosmology means Brahmana Shastra. We get it as a study of a star galaxies, all other black holes, white holes, all the galaxies, all of the universe will be containing this. Then let us go started our form that will be generating as a some concept will be considering. Consider that the unisilver is a field with a perfect fluid. Let the static homogeneous universe is a spherically symmetric to given as a d square equals to minus e to the power a dr square r square dw square plus e to the power b dt square. This is equation first, where a and b is given as a function of a r along and given to the form that is a dw square equals to d theta square sine square theta d phi square will be generating. The field equation are considering g n to the power m a delta n m equals to minus 8 pi t n m will be generated. This is a 2.1. G n m is a Einstein tensor. You know that tensor, all basic information about tensor given in a BSc part. Then given to the G n m Einstein tensor equal to r to the power n m minus 1 by 2 r delta n to the power m. Solve to the field equation 1.2 for the line elements 1.1 and get the mathematical model of the universe. To do as a impose three condition. First condition, pressure P equals to constant. Second condition, density equals to constant, and third condition, SR is valid locally, that is a equals to B equals to 0 at R equals to 0. Okay, this is not a 2.1, this will be considering as a 1.2. Now T11 equals to T22 equals to T33 equals to minus P T to the power 4 equals to 5 will be considering. Okay, letting x to the power 1 equals to r, x square equals to theta, x cube equals to phi, and x to the power 4 equals to t. From equation 1.1 to we given to the equation, that is a g11 equals to minus e to the power a, g22 equals to minus r square, and g33 equals to minus r square sine square theta, g44 equals to e to the power b. Then this is a 1.4a. Then put gmm equals to nm for changing to the value equals to 0 for m is not equals to n, always as a g equals to determinant gmn equals to minus r to the power 4, put up to the value of the equation sine square theta e to the power a plus b, e to the power a plus b, or given to the condition square root of a minus g equals to r square sine theta e to the power 1 by 2 a plus b. This will be considering. Okay, then gmn equals to 1 upon gmn if for m is not equals to n. If given as a 0, then m also is not equals to n. Then the non-vanishing component of a gnm are considering g11 equals to e to the power minus a, considering to the form that will be generated to the equation g11 equals to e to the power minus a b dash upon r plus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square. Okay, g44 equals to e to the power minus a dash upon r minus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square. Both of this condition is a balancing to the form a dash equals to dA upon dr. Then the field equation considering in the 1.2 form, that is a e to the power minus a b dash upon r plus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square plus considering in the form equals to 8 pi p. Then e to the power minus a b dash upon r plus 1 by r square minus 1 by r square to considering in the form minus gamma considering equals to 8 pi phi. Instead of the field equation g considering 2 equals to minus 8 pi t 2, we consider the conversion law of the t n m equals to 0. This will be considering. Then condition this give the value, that is a p dash equals to minus 1 by 2 p plus xi equals to b dash. This will be given as a 1.5 c. Then condition 1.3a and 1.5 c considering all form, that is a comparison between a first and second to the form minus 1 by 2 is a cancelling to the form and given to the equation of the, that is first b dash equals to 0, second will be given p plus first condition, that is a b dash equals to 0, this is a 1.6a. Second equation given p plus rho equals to 0, that is a 1.6b given to the condition, and third condition given that is a b dash equals to 0 and p plus rho equals to 0, this is a 1.6c. Then according to these three possibilities we get to the three different universe which are discussed as under to the form. This will be the three condition to given to the different type of universe. First will be given b dash equals to 0, second will be given p plus rho equals to 0, and third two combining of this form, that is a b dash equals to 0 and a p plus rho equals to 0. This according to the three possibilities to get it as a discussion about to the form.